Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just got this new Arrma Senton 4x4 short body course truck, and basically I'm going to take it out and test it out on this field over here. So just to show you what it's got underneath the hood, a couple items. It's got a 3200 brushless KV motor with a heatsink and a cooling fan, and then it's got this BLX 100 ESC. It can do up to 3S. Right now, see, I'm gonna run a 2S lipo 50C, 5000 milliamp battery on it, and it's got the little wheelie bar, really nice oil-filled shocks, all-wheel drive. You see the drive shaft all the way through with a little bearing on it. But I literally just got this thing, and we're gonna rip it through its course and see what it does. So let's go ahead and put the body on. And the nice thing that I like about the Arrma trucks is they're really built solid. I mean, some of the features like TRAXXAS doesn't offer is like the body mounts that are like clipped onto the body. That way you don't have to worry about losing them. The remote, it's a little Spectrum SLT3, which is really nice. You know, it's got a little nice soft feel to it. You know, control everything: throttle, steering, trim, and what have you. And that's about it. Take a look at this truck. Front looks very, very realistic, front and back, all the way through. And let's go see what she does. All right. Let me try to do this one-handed. Do a little speed run. Sounds like a real thing. Full throttle. Does pick up quite nice for being on 2S. See if she can climb. Let's get off the dirt.